Hello beauties, yeah, welcome to Gloria Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% chemical free and organic. So here on this channel we also share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. So, are you having problems with stretch marks? Are you having stretch marks on your hip areas, on your stomach, your thighs, behind your legs, your buttocks? Are you having problems, serious problems with these stubborn stretch marks, and you have tried a lot of remedies and nothing seems to work for you? Well, I have something to introduce to you. I have a stretch mask cream which I'll be showing you how I made this stretch mask cream, and I hope that you will definitely try it out and see how good this is. Well, I'll be showing you how I made this stretch mask cream. This stretch mask cream is very effective. It works so well in clearing and reducing the appearance of stretch marks, whether it's caused by pregnancy, overweight, the cream that you are using, or age. This stretch mask cream is going to really make you very happy. It will also help to prevent stretch marks from occurring or reoccurring. So beauties, if you are reproducing this stretch mask cream, make sure you are getting the original ingredients to make this stretch mask cream. I don't want you to use fake ingredients to make this cream, okay? So you are going to watch and follow all the guidelines and make this cream, or you can purchase it and it will be sent to you. It's very effective and you're going to see a very good result few days of using it. It actually works. So you can follow any of our social media handles, you can WhatsApp us and place your orders. It's readily available in our store. So thank you so much. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell in order to be notified each time we upload new videos. Like and share and leave a comment below. If you have any comments, if you have any clarifications or inquiry, please kindly leave it below. We always like to interact with you down there. Thank you so much, and now it's time for me to show you the secret of clearing and reducing your stretch marks. Please come with me. So you're welcome back. Before we start, there are a few things you need to get started. You'll be needing a stainless steel mixing bowl, a spatula for stirring, and an electric hand whip, a digital scale for weighing the ingredients, and also you'll be needing some measuring spoons. Before I properly start, I will first sanitize my hands and equipment with 99% alcohol to disinfect and prevent germs from getting into the product. The first ingredient that I will be adding into this bowl is shea butter. Shea butter is very good and a natural alternative for treating stretch marks. Shea butter can reduce the redness caused by new stretch marks, and it helps to strengthen the damaged skin. It provides the skin protection against UV rays. I will be adding 900 grams of shea butter. This quantity is for the batch size of stretch mark cream that I'm producing. If you want to understand how to take measurements and calculate batch sizes, try to get our advanced skincare training ebook. It will help you very well. The next ingredient that I'll be adding is the cocoa butter, and I'll be adding 500 grams of cocoa butter. Cocoa butter helps to improve the skin's elasticity and helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. I'll be adding 180 ml of coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps to reduce the appearance and healing time for an existing stretch marks. It has the ability to hydrate the skin deeply and also help to reduce the itching that is associated with stretch marks. Another ingredient I'll be adding is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a useful ingredient and a remedy that helps to reduce any scars and treat stretch marks as well. It has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that works magically well to fade away stretch marks to a great extent. I'll be adding 30 ml of it. Here is a skin repair treatment oil. It helps in healing of damaged skins like bleached skin or sunburn. It helps in fading stretch marks, green veins, and it clears white spots. So I'll be adding 30 ml of skin repair oil. Here I have the lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil helps to encourage wound healing. It increases collagen production and is very good in treating and preventing stretch marks. So I'll be adding 30 ml of lavender essential oil. Another ingredient I'll be adding is a vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars, and I will be adding 30 ml of vitamin E oil. I'll also be adding some few drops of frankincense essential oil. It treats dry skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkle, age spots, scars, and also stretch marks. Vitamin E oil and frankincense essential oil can be added later after dissolving your butter and oil. I will be dissolving these butters and oils via double boiling method off camera, and then I will come back and show you before we get into the next stage. Keep watching. This is the melted butters and oils. I have totally dissolved it. When you are making yours, make sure that there are no lumps or particles left. All ingredients should be completely dissolved. I will let this cool down a little. It can be put into a refrigerator for fast cooling process. When you get this consistency, get a hand whip and whip very well. At this point, the oil has started to solidify. Whip a bit more and put it back to the refrigerator to solidify a little if it's too watery. Make sure that you don't allow this oil to solidify fully. It will not be easy for you to whip. Remember I told you that vitamin E oil and frankincense essential oil can be added later. So this is the point that you can add them. I'm adding 10 ml of vitamin E oil and some few drops of frankincense essential oil. Then I will whip for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets to a smooth and whipped consistency. Make sure you blend very well. Okay. Make sure to blend very well. Here is a stretch mark cream. It's finally ready. It's very effective in preventing fading and reducing the appearance of stretch marks. All you need is to, after bathing, apply this stretch mark cream on the affected areas and massage in daily. You will gradually begin to notice great difference. This is actually the right consistency you should look out for. Now it's time for me to package the cream for my customers. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, like and share, and also leave a comment below. This is a way to encourage us to create more contents for you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.